Unfortunately, this is not another scene half an hour later. I cheated, but I just put that first bit in just to show you the basics of how to plot out your marks. You just get roundabout points, maybe measurements, just plot them out and fit it in. Figure out where the next bit needs to come off. For instance, you saw me mark here and here on the other board, but between the two, yeah, it was that deep, but this slopes in a bit, so it needs to come off at an angle. You'll find that out once you get it into place. And then of course the back, that's easy. You just put it into the mat there and sort of put your finger between the back difference. There's our center point. here. Go from there to there is 437. The same point on the other side is 435. That's good. On the back, there's our centre. Go from the bottom of that. That's 391. That's 392. So we're pretty good on measurements. We just need to okay. So we've got the meter rule out. That across the centre. Line up with those points. Out of there is 426. Move it over. And from there to there is 426. Right, so from this point to the bottom, we need to go out. Can you guess? 426. That's over here. Here to here. Until we get it stable for the tape. 426. And the same over the other side. Go. Got a line from there to there. We're good. That's the two bases in. Excuse the bun. Bottoms of the boxes. And I could do is everything else. No, seriously though, it won't take much time to build the rest of the box. Here, I have another piece of ply, and with the help of the original wall, I hope you guys can see that. That's the piece that came out of the car, that was originally in the car, covering up all that crap at the back of the front of it, I should say. And I've traced that out under this bit of ply. So now all I've got to do is cut it all out. Do that, that's step number 2. Then I could shorten the base of the bolt, because obviously the wall will sort of come down here, so it's going to cut off all this here. But I need to get the wall in place to figure out how much to cut off. And I don't know, I might mount the wall on top of that yet, I don't know. I'll figure that out. Oh, it's just a waste of a bit of time. I'll plumb bob out. Something I made actually specifically for this project. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be mounted to these holes here. There's 4 of these across here. Now I already know from looking at the original piece that these sit out about 10 mil. There's an indentation between the where the screw mounts up, or in this case probably just a clip, and it then sort of comes out. It's like a dimple in the plastic, about 10 mil. So what I need to do is need to figure out that's about where it's going to go. Now I'm going to mark about 10 mil out from that. That's swinging a little bit. About 10 mil there. It's about where the inside of the wall will be. Now what I need to do is go to the other side. Thing. Problem with that is the mount over here isn't above the wood. So what I'm going to have to do is basically build a bridge. Alright, so I've got my pendulum swinging, well, sit, and I've got my meter all out again. Not that I put it away, but anyway, now I'll run in on the mark on the other side, move that so about there, like that. Just as a final step, tape measure. I'm just going to measure from the same point at the back, so that's pretty much 660. And on the other side, it's 670. That could be that this is in the wrong spot. Could be a number of things. I'm just going to have to find a common point and measure in. One thing I have done regarding the boot is I've drawn out, using the assemblies that I have so far, drawn out 2 side panels. They're going to replace this panel here, because I suddenly realised once I put everything back together that with the full size wall, the full width, once that's in, I'm not going to be able to get the sub boxes in and out. There's just simply not enough room to manoeuvre them, so I had to change my tactic. So I'll use this one because it's exposed. This is the new sidewall, and that'll sit there like that. So it'll sit on the end of the front, not on the back edge of the front. And then I'll have that little lip there. You see that black line there? I can't let this go because it'll just fall over. That 30mm lip here, what that's all about is, you can see this line on the rear panel. That's the front edge of the box. Try to work one here, but if you can imagine, you're probably going to have to imagine, because that kind of sits like that, but a bit higher. So the way it will be is the boxes will go in, then the wall will go in and butt up onto here. So to get the boxes out, the wall has to come out first. Bit of screw around, but it's honestly the only way it's going to happen. Not that they're going to come out that often. Also, while I was in Sydney, I managed to pick up, but now I've misplaced. Where is it? Under here? No. Oh, I know where it is. There it is up there. That is a roll of carpet. New, just aftermarket carpet. So I managed to pick up this 4 square metres there. And I'm hoping that's well and truly enough to cover everything. And the colour matches, it's a little bit off. But yeah, that's the front. It's a little bit off, but I mean, once everything else, that's through the camera, that's pretty extreme. It's actually not that bad, but that's actually the darkest in this particular material that I could get. So I'm kind of on that. See, that looks darker there. See, look at that. That's weird. I don't know how that happens. That's actually the same. That's the same surface. Depending on the angle of it, depends on what colour it is. Well, that's just really weird. You can see that physically looks different. Those two pieces look different, but it's actually the same surface. Trace it up here. Look, it's the same edge of the same material. I've got my finger in the end there. Trace both of those two down. That's the same edge. That's back to back. That's one on top of the other. Check out the difference. That's just weird, isn't it? Anyhow, that's the carpet I'll be using. And that's going to be a wrap on that for now. Because, oh, that's about all I've done. You can see all the pieces are still here. All the boxes and the carpet's there. But as you can see, the car's not. So I'm going to get back onto that soon. You'll find out why the car's not here next week. But as soon as it gets back, I'm going to get back onto them. Hopefully get a bit more progress. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.